Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to shape text in Canva. Canva is such a versatile tool, and giving your text unique shapes and styles is one of the easiest ways to make your design stand out. Whether it's for a poster, a social media post, or any kind of visual project, adding a little flair to your text can make a huge difference. So first, you'll want to use a feature called Typecraft in Canva. Open up a new design or any project you're already working on. Look over at the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see the Typecraft button there. If you don't, no worries. Just click on the Apps section in the toolbar, search for Typecraft, and add it to your tools. Once Typecraft is ready, it's time to start creating. Select it, and then click on the text box area of your canvas where you want your shaped text to appear. Go ahead and type in the text you want to use. Keep in mind that shorter text often works better for readability and aesthetics depending on the shape you're going for. Next, let's pick a font. Fonts play a huge role in the overall vibe of your design. Canva offers tons of options. Scroll through until you find one that matches your theme. Maybe something bold, elegant, playful, or minimal. Once you find the one you like, click to apply it. Now, let's make it pop with highlighting. Highlighting certain words or sections of your text helps them stand out and adds visual interest. Just select the part you want highlighted and use the highlight tool. You can even adjust the highlight color so it complements the rest of your design. And for the final touch, you can add design elements around your text. Click on the Add Element option in the toolbar and explore shapes, lines, or illustrations. These can frame your text or create unique backgrounds that pull everything together. And that's really all it takes. By combining Typecraft, the right font, a little highlighting, and some design elements, you can shape your text in ways that totally transform your Canva designs. So yeah, experiment with different combinations, see what feels right for your project, and you'll be surprised at how eye-catching your text can become. Thanks for watching and happy designing. I'll see you in the next video.